Lead, Leetcode Biweekly Context 165Q1 Smallest absent positive is greater than average. To solve this problem, first of all, we want to know the sum of this array. Second, we want to know the length of this array. Then we want to know the average of this array. Then to find out the smallest number, we can sort this array first. Then we can just loop all the elements or from number 1 to find out which one is missing.